Hi, I'm Gary Spouge from Modern Motor Trimmers. This is our new Toyota forklift. We based buying the Toyota AFG 30 on the performance of our 3 previous models. We use the Toyota forklifts for unloading containers, trucks and moving cabs around. The Toyota forklifts are so efficient and help speeding up our production, making us more profitable. We like the safety features on the Toyota forklift, such as the seatbelt buzzer. The Toyota forklifts are really reliable. We don't have any issues with the operations of them. We found dealing with Toyota material handling, they give us good support and good backup, and they service our machines on time. Tony Maguire from Toyota helped us out with the Eagles paint job because we have some mad Eagles supporters here. The quality of Toyota forklifts is so great, I've been working with them for the past 28 years. I would recommend Toyota to any other business that's looking to buy a forklift.